Looking to change your TikTok profile name? Here's how you can do it. So first you have to open up your TikTok and go to your profile. So as you can see, I already have a name set. So now to change it, just tap on the edit profile button and then go to name section. So from here, you can easily change your profile name and it must be within 30 characters. Just remember, your name can only be changed once every 7 days. So make sure you enter the name correctly. So once you are happy with it, just save and confirm the update. And just after your name, you will find the username too. But keep in mind that username can only be changed once every 30 days. But I'm not changing mine right now, so I will go back to my profile. You can see the name has changed successfully and it looks great. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.